Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from 0 to 3 of f of x dx, and our f of x is a piecewise function of x over 2 minus 1 when x is less than or equal to 2, and x squared minus 6x plus 8 when x is greater than 2. And we have to evaluate this definite integral. Well, first let's go break up this to be two integrals here, okay? So what we're going to do, we have the integral. They tell us something happens at 2, right? We're changing the function here right at 2. So we're going to find the integral actually first from 0 to 2, and that happens when they said x is less than, right? X is less than or equal to 2. So that would apply right here from 0 to 2. So we use our first part, our x over 2 minus 1 dx, plus the integral now from the next value, 2 to 3, for our piecewise function here. That happens when x is greater than 2, and we use the second part here, x squared minus 6x plus 8 dx. Okay. So now what we want to do is integrate each part individually and then solve. So given some space here, make sure I have enough space. Our integral of x over 2 minus 1 dx comes out to be an x squared over 4 minus x. And we're integrating this from 0 to 2. Plus the second integral here, the integral of x squared minus 6x plus 8 is an x to the third power over 3 minus a 3x squared plus an 8x. We're integrating this from 2 to 3. Okay? So then from here, we want to plug in our values, right? We're going to plug 2 in for x and then 0 using our Fundamental Theorem of Calculus here. So we plug 2 in for x, and we have a 2 squared over 4 minus a 2. Subtract, same thing, we plug 0 in. So we have a 0 squared over 4 minus a 0. Got that. Plus, now we're going to do the same thing, put 3 in for x value here. 3 to the third power over 3 minus 3 times 3 to the second power plus 8 times 3. Subtract that when we plug 2 in for x here. So we have a 2 to the third power over 3 minus 3 times 2 squared plus 8 times a 2. A lot of writing here. Well, luckily I did all the hard work for you. 2 squared over 4 minus 2 comes out to be a negative 1. Minus 0 squared over 4 minus 0 is a 0. Pretty good here. Plus 3 to the third over 3 minus 3 times 3 squared plus 8 times 3 is a good old 6. And then subtract here 2 to the third power over 3 minus 3 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2 is a good old fraction, 20 over 3. When we combine all this together, negative 1 minus 0 plus 6 minus 20 over 3, we get a negative 5/3, which is equal to negative 1.6 repeating, however you want to write it. Either way, we have our final answer. Our integral from 0 to 3 of f of x dx of our piecewise function is a negative 5/3. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.